A very fine and pleasant morning to all of you. Today we are gathered over here to celebrate our 76th Independence Day. I am Sundas and I am Sumama. Honorable Chief Guest, Speaker, Secretary and all present officers, teacher, principal sir and my class fellows. Today, on the occasion of the 76th Independence Day, I extend my warm greetings to you all. On this day, our Pakistan became independent, and our dream of living in an independent country came true. Now, we are going to start our function with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent, who created the universe, the sun, the moon, who runs the rivers and lakes, who runs the clouds full of rain. We should be so proud when we shout it to him out loud, who sparkles stars in the sky. For the recitation of the Holy Quran, I would like to invite Amina to come on stage and start the function with a recitation. She was Amina, who was reciting the Holy Quran in her beautiful voice. Allah Almighty is the creator of the whole universe. Everything existing in this universe is obedient to Allah, and He is obedient to none. Remembering Allah Almighty with these names has multiple benefits, among which most of all is the purity of heart and soul, that let a person gets closer to Allah to seek His pleasure. I would like to call Sana to offer Asmaul Husna. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much, Sana. सारे लम्हे कबूल होते हैं, सारे लम्हे कबूल होते हैं जिनमें ज़िक्र रसूल होते हैं सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Now for Naate Kalam, I would like to invite Sonia. Please make our hearts melt by your soothing and relaxing voice. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a great and proud day for all of us. On this day, we got freedom from the slavery of British rule. Now is the time to welcome our guest on behalf of our school. We will present a bunch of flowers to welcome the honorable chief guest. Now we will have our auspicious flag waving ceremony of a tribute to our motherland. May all living beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. Now, I would like to call the Honorable Chief Guest and Principal Sir for flag hosting. We salute and thank you our freedom fighters who gave their lives and make great sacrifices. This is the reason we are here together to celebrate this day today. Let us dedicate this Independence Day to the sons of the nation and start our cultural programs. Now I would like to call students of class 1 to 3rd for a group Milli Naghma. Thank you students for your wonderful Milli Naghma. Let's move forward to our second performance, and that is PT by junior boys. Thanks all of you for your marvelous performance. In this episode of the program, we now invite the children of class 1 and 2 to perform a beautiful Milli Naghma performance. Thank you kids for this beautiful and enchanting performance. We are celebrating our 76th Independence Day full of enthusiasm and patriotism. To enhance this feeling of enthusiasm and patriotism, we are going to invite students of class 3rd to 7th for a group Milli Naghma. Thank you Amjad for your heartwarming song. We owe a great thank you to our freedom fighters who gave their lives and made great sacrifices. Now I would like to invite our most respected chief guest, Mr. Ahsan Sahab. Now I would like to call for word of thanks. Now we would like to call Sir Hassan for a word of thanks and then end the program with national anthem. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.